Have you ever stopped to wonder what's really happening inside a paper shredder when it devours your documents? Is it just spinning metal? Is it sophisticated engineering? Or is there a hidden mechanism quietly protecting your identity? Every time you feed in sensitive paperwork, bank statements, tax forms, old invoices, you're trusting a machine to destroy your information forever. But how exactly does it do that? Today, we're opening it up and taking a deep tutorial look inside a paper shredder, from the blades and motors to the safety systems that keep your fingers intact. By the end of this breakdown, you'll know how shredders actually destroy paper, the key internal components, why some shredders last longer than others, and how to choose the right one for maximum security. Let's uncover the mystery. A paper shredder is not just a paper cutter. It's a security device. Its core purpose is to prevent identity theft, protect business data, safeguard confidential information, destroy sensitive physical records. But inside this box lies a precision system designed to break paper down into unreadable fragments, sometimes into pieces smaller than a postage stamp. But what exactly makes this possible? The outer casing might look simple, but it's engineered for structural stability, noise reduction, heat control, user safety. Inside the shell are multiple compartments that isolate each major system: the drive system, the cutting system, the power and control module, the waste compartment. Now let's go deeper. This is where the real action happens. Inside every paper shredder is a set of rotating steel cutters called shredder rollers. These blades are hardened steel or alloy, precisely aligned, sharpened for long-term performance. There are three main cutting styles. 1. Strip cut cuts paper into long vertical strips. Simple but less secure. 2. Cross cut slices in both directions, creating confetti-like pieces. 3. Micro cut turns the paper into dust-sized particles, ultra-secure for sensitive data. Each blade interlocks with another, creating a crushing and tearing action rather than just slicing. This is what makes the paper impossible to reconstruct. Behind the blade sits the motor, the muscle of the machine. Its job: rotate the cutter shafts, regulate speed, maintain torque under pressure. Most shredders use AC induction motors, heavy-duty, DC motors, smaller units. A strong motor prevents paper jams, overheating, blade stalling. Better shredders use thermal sensors to shut the motor down before damage occurs. Connected to the motor is a gear mechanism that reduces speed, increases torque, synchronizes blade rotation. These gears ensure even shredding, smooth feeding, controlled force delivery. Plastic gears equals cheaper models, metal gears equals long-lasting professional units. This detail alone can tell you how durable a shredder really is. Ever noticed how the shredder starts automatically? That's because of infrared or pressure sensors located at the paper slot. These sensors detect paper presence, activate the motor, control reverse functions. Advanced models even sense thickness levels, misfeeds, foreign objects. Paper shredders are dangerous if poorly designed, so inside you'll find auto stop systems, overheat protection, jam detection circuits, child safety locks, reverse motor triggers. When motion resistance is detected, the system halts to prevent damage or injury. This invisible technology makes shredders surprisingly intelligent. This tiny electronic board controls everything: power input regulation, direction control, auto reverse, LED warnings, error detection. In smarter shredders, this board can even monitor shred cycles, track overheating, trigger cooldown modes. This gives the shredder decision-making capability. Below all the mechanics lies the shred bin. Its design effects: airflow, noise control, dust containment. Some systems include full bin sensors, auto shutoff when full, anti-static lining to reduce paper cling. A well-designed bin prevents refeed problems. Paper jams occur when too much paper is fed, staple resistance occurs, motor torque drops, blade misalignment happens internally, the paper folds, wraps around shafts, and causes torque imbalance. This is why reverse functions are critical. To extend lifespan, oil the blades regularly, avoid overfeeding, allow cool down breaks, remove staples when possible, Clean senses monthly neglect causes rusted blades, slow performance, motor burnout. Now that you know the internals, here's what to look for: metal gears, hardened steel cutters, thermally protected motors, cross-cut or micro-cut systems, auto jam recovery features. You're no longer just buying a shredder, you're selecting a security machine. So what's really inside a paper shredder? Not just blades and noise, but a perfectly synchronized system of mechanics, electronics, and safety engineering designed to destroy information and protect your privacy. And the next time you hear that low mechanical growl, you'll know exactly what's happening inside. Have you ever wondered what happens to shredded paper after it's destroyed? And can shredded documents ever be reconstructed? Let me know in the comments if you'd like a teardown video or slow motion demo.